Hey guys, Darin Marques with the Darin Marques Group with Huntington Ellis. I'm here today at this great property located here in the Northwest, 4665 North Chieftain. This home is just over 5,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, located on a 1-acre lot here in the Northwest. Come inside and check out this home. So one of the greatest features of this home that you'll notice is it comes with a great size RV garage back here. Perfect location for anybody with their toys, cars, trucks, all of that here. You've got plenty of room on this lot. Hey guys, so thanks for taking the time to tour this great home with me today, located here in the Northwest. I'm Darin Marques with Huntington Ellis. Give me a call for a private tour, 702-485-7755.